Okay, so in this one we're going to use a trick where we resample the whole loop that we've got here and just take wee segments out of it to create a couple wee stutter edits and stuff throughout the track. So I'm going to just minimize everything we've got here, and I guess this kind of belongs in the effects section, so let's create some room for it. Insert a new audio track. And if we go to the external in and go to resampling, we'll just zoom out a bit. Yes. Okay, so I'm just going to set our start locator here by clicking, and I'm going to turn the record arm on, and I'm going to hit record, and I'm going to play around a loop. Okay, so that's one loop. I'm just going to move that across, and then I'm going to play another loop without our drums in it. Set the start point, hit record. Just in an attempt to grab something different. So I'll make another track for that and drop it down here. Okay, so this is the part now where it is a lot of sort of trial and error, trying to find a sound that kind of fits. So we obviously want to have a sound for the start here. Just going to create a copy of this over here by holding down Alt and clicking across. And I'm going to double click it, and I'm just going to put this onto loop mode, and I'm going to move our loop locators down so that we get a nice, you can see up the top there, a nice wee looped section as we go across. So I'm going to try and find something from the start of our track. Yes. Just going to move our loop back so that we can hear it, and we can move the loop across. Okay, so I'm going to just mess about down here at the bottom. So if you play about with these, you'll make it think that it's a different tempo than it actually is, and you get a sort of different effect as you do that. So if we solo this and have a listen to the effects that it creates when we move these around. So that might be a nice sound for the start there. So we'll try getting rid of that bit. So there's a cool sound, and then we'll try and find something else. So we'll just move across, and we'll try moving this around a wee bit until we find something else. Maybe use that one, so we'll save that, copy across, and then you can go through and find different ones again, or you could reverse it, see if you can get some different sounds by doing that. So just click the reverse button. So there's a cool sound. Try and get another one, double click. There's one. Try and get another one. Try and get a longer one this time. by changing the BPM down here. So that second part's quite cool. Have a look for something else. Maybe something like that. And then you can again play around with the beats. You can change it to repitch. So maybe that first part could work quite well somewhere. Again, this is just a case of going through and grabbing. You can go the other way. Obviously, you can speed it up by going down to the 32 BPM. Maybe that could be used. And maybe that. So again, go through and just play about with your parts until you get something. We'll continue on with actually placing these then in the next one.